Alright, so I went to Bevmo and I bought like, it was really good because they had mini alcohols. So I bought like 5 mini alcohols of all the types I need. And now I have to go to the regular store and buy the juice and the other mix-ins. Today I'm going to be filming a vintage Christmas makeup tutorial. We're going to kind of be delving into the style of like 1930s like flapper girl speakeasy Christmas. I'm going to put my hair back. Alrighty, now I'm going to put powder all over my face. Wait, should I tell this story? Okay, so it's kind of funny. So I've never really drank before, right? But as I was gonna film my cocktail video that I'm filming today, I was gonna film it a couple days ago, and it was like the night before work, and I had to go to work at like 5. I had to get up for work at 5 a.m. the next day and go in at 6:30. Okay, I'm gonna move on to blush, but I'll continue the story as I blush. I'm just gonna use the pink shade. So I'm gonna go into work the next day. And then I start getting ready to make my cocktail. So I get all dressed up to film this video, and I go downstairs, and my dad's like, "You're not gonna do this, are you, tonight?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm gonna do this tonight." He said, "You have work in the morning." I'm like, "Yeah, I know." And he said, that's not a good idea." And I said, "Why not?" And he said, "Because you are a beginner drinker." So that was interesting. My dad thinks I'm a beginner drinker. He would be right in that dissertation. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna do a little contour. So I'm just gonna take this shade, the darkest shade, and I'm just gonna do some contouring in all the areas that could need to be contoured. So now I'm gonna do like a slightly more dramatic than usual eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna take my Lorac palette and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with pink peony. And then I'm just gonna go back in and I'm gonna add that right into my inner corners on either side. Excellent. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with like, I think Blackberry, so this shade right here. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Ooh, it's exciting. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. It reminds me a little bit of like Betty Boop, which is good because she was like a 1930s staple cartoon character. So I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to attempt to put it on the outer lower part of my lash line. Alrighty, so now I'm going to try to go in and do some eyeliner, which if you know from the other tutorials I've created, this is the part where I usually mess up and then I have to fix it for like half an hour or so. Let's cross our fingers and let's pray a special prayer that I do not mess up my eyeliner today. Alrighty, so I'm just going to use my NYX liquid vinyl liner. What was that? I just threw most of my makeup on the floor. It's fine. But as you can see, our eyes look ridiculously round now. Like, emphasizing our features to be kind of small and rounded. So we're going for small, rounded, pouty lips and just super round eyes instead of that classic like almond eye that all the celebrities have now. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start filling in my eyebrows, which is like literally the best part of any makeup tutorial I ever make, because I have no eyebrows. Like, look at these babies. They are blonde. Why are they blonde when the rest of my hair isn't blonde? The logic is fundamentally quite low, I'm afraid. So in the 1930s, they were into super thin pencil eyebrows. This was literally the thing. Women would pull all their eyebrows off. They would tweeze them, and then they would just draw on eyebrows. So like I was considering like tearing out all my eyebrows, but I already have so little that like I don't think that's like a feasible option for me at this point. So I'm just gonna make little stick eyebrows and hope for the best. Alright, so in my mind, these eyebrows are very reminiscent of sticks. Honestly, I'm starting to look like Snow White, which is the Disney princess that is from the 1930s era, so I think we're in the right direction. Let's move on to some mascara. And I have exciting news. I got a more expensive mascara, but I got the small version of it because I'm cheap. So we're going to try the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara today, because Too Faced is like really into giving dirty names to their products. So I have two Too Faced products. You got, you know, your classic Better Than Sex mascara. And then I also have the Afterglow palette. And do you want me to read to you what the shades are called? Should I? I'm going to do it. We got Bliss, we've got Peroxide, Not Safe for Work, and Side Piece. Look at that difference. We've got our naked eye and our fully closed eye. That's a wild difference. Look at the size of this brush. This brush is like huge. It's gigantic. I can barely fit it into like the little inner corner of my eye, but it seems to be working. So that's good. So the thing about the 1930s is they did their lipstick in a Cupid's bow pattern. Instead of like actually lining their lips, or in what most people do now is like overline their lips, they underlined their lips. Get it? Underlined? Oh wait, I winked with the wrong eye. So I'm going to take this lip liner and I'm going to try to do like a Cupid's bow line on my lips. Oh my gosh, that literally worked. I'm impressed at my own makeup, a genius, I suppose. Alright, so now we have like the basic. We have like our coloring book. And now we just have to fill it in. So for Black Friday, I bought a single lipstick. This is Bare Mineral lipstick in the ooh, I almost dropped it. Calm down, Natalie. Calm down. Get it together. Alright, so I bought this lipstick in the shade Awareness. And it's like a dark, well, not too dark, but ooh, vampire-esque makeup. Ooh. You know my body never known. You know my body never known. And blot. Dang, we accomplished our goal for today, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with our hair. What are we gonna do with our hair? I'm gonna get off the counter first and foremost. All right, so in the 1930s, they had two things going. They had bobs, and then they had they had bobs and curls, but like short curls. Or they had like really sleek hair. Alrighty, so fundamentally I think we have our bob. I just took the long parts of my hair and I put it in a bun in the back, and then I just left the short parts in front and kind of curled them so it looks like a bob. Alrighty, so now we gotta figure out what we're gonna wear to our speakeasy Christmas party, i.e. me going downstairs and making myself a ton of alcoholic beverages for literally the first time in my life. This may be the first time. Okay, this actually will be the first time I ever get drunk. Well, actually, we'll see if I get drunk. I might just be like, nah, I hate all these drinks so much that I don't want to drink them. Alrighty, so this is what I came up with. I found this like sparkly dress. As you can see, it has like a under part and then it has the over part, which is sheer, and it's sheer in the arms. In the 1930s, Jesus, can I remember what year it is? Oh wait, no, not really. Okay, so in the 1930s, they wore a lot of dark colors, and it was kind of the beginning, it's like the pre-feminism also, so women like wanted to kind of look more androgynous, and wore outfits that didn't emphasize their curves as much as they had in previous years. And this kind of reminds me of that, because they went more for waistlines that were either flat or that were higher than their actual waist. And that kind of has this effect for me because my actual waist is like here, and it has a waist that ends under the boobs. And then I put on some dark tights. And yeah, that's the makeup tutorial and the hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and comment down below so that the YouTube algorithm picks up my channel. I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself a variety of alcoholic beverages. See you in the next part of this video.